This is fold over elastic. It's usually used for sewing projects, but I have never used it for that. I've always used it for hair ties. 9 to 10 inches is an ideal length, or you can use the circumference of your wrist. But if you use your wrist, leave about an inch on each side or an extra 2 inches so that you have the little tassel part. Then you fold it over and then you tie a knot in it, and you make sure that the knot ends up towards the open end or the ends of the elastic. Once you've got your knot, you can use a lighter to lightly singe or melt the edge of the edges. Once you're finished, give it a nice good stretch. That's going to tighten your knot, and you have a nice hair tie.